Continuation of questions on Poisson distribution. Question is the probability that an individual suffers bad reaction from an injection is 0.001. Find the probability that out of 200,000 individuals, more than 2 will get bad reaction. So as per the question, the chance or the probability that an individual suffers bad reaction from an injection is 0.001. Now, out of 2000 individuals, what is the chance or the probability that more than 2 will get bad reaction? So, X denote the number of individuals getting bad reaction from that injection. P is the probability that an individual gets bad reaction from an injection, which is given as 0.001. So the probability or the chance that X number of individuals out of 2000 individuals, X number of individuals suffers from bad reaction because of the injection is P of X is equal to, by Poisson distribution, m power x e power minus m divided by x factorial. Why we are using Poisson distribution? Now here you can see the number of individuals, n is 2000. So whenever n is a large number and p the probability of success is too small, number of individuals 2000, probability that an individual gets bad reaction from an injection P is 0.001. So since n is a large number, we go for Poisson distribution. So the probability that X number of individuals out of 2000 suffers from bad reaction is P of X is equal to m power x e power minus m by x factorial. Here m means NP, which is 2000 into 0.001, which will be equal to 2. So the expression for P of X will be P of X is equal to 2 power x e power minus 2 divided by x factorial. 2 power x into e power minus 2 will be 0.1353 divided by x factorial. Now, the probability that more than 2 individuals will get a bad reaction. Number of individuals is x and it should be more than 2. So, x should be greater than 2. Probability that x will be greater than 2 is equal to 1 minus probability that x will be less than or equal to 2. 1 minus x less than or equal to 2 means x can be 0, x is 1, x is 2. So P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. All these three probabilities can be calculated by using that formula for P of X on putting x as 0, 1, 2. So 1 minus that sum will give the required answer. Probability that more than 2 individuals will suffer bad reaction from an injection is, the chance is 0.3235 or 32.35%. Next question. The number of accidents in a year to taxi drivers in a city follows Poisson distribution with the mean equal to 3. So number of accidents in a year to taxi drivers follows Poisson distribution with the mean mu equal to 3. Out of 1000 taxi drivers, find approximately the number of taxi drivers with no accident in a year. Number of accident is 0. More than 3 accidents in a year. So let X denote the number of accidents to taxi drivers in a year. Then the probability that there will be X number of accidents in a year will be P of X is equal to m power x e power minus m divided by x factorial. So here m means it is mean of the number of accidents is 3, and for Poisson distribution mean is m. So m will be equal to 3. With m equal to 3, that expression for p of x becomes 3 power x into e power minus 3 divided by x factorial, and e power minus 3 will be 0.04979. So p of x will be 0.04979 into 3 power x divided by x factorial. So this is the probability that a taxi driver will have x number of accidents in a year. Therefore, out of 1000 taxi drivers, the number of taxi drivers who will have x number of accidents in a year will be 1000 into p of x. 1000 into p of x is 0.04979 into 3 power x by x factorial, which will be equal to 49.79 into 3 power x by x factorial. So this will give, out of 1000 taxi drivers, the number of taxi drivers with the x number of accidents each in a year. Now answer for the question. First one, out of 1000 taxi drivers, you have to calculate the number of taxi drivers with no accidents. How many taxi drivers will have no accidents? Means number of accidents is 0. So you need to put x as 0. So the number of taxi drivers with no accidents in a year will be equal to, put x as 0. 49.79 into 3 power 0 divided by 0 factorial, which will give approximately equal to 50. Second part, out of 1000 taxi drivers, how many taxi drivers will have more than 3 accidents in a year? So number of accidents to a taxi driver in a year is more than 3. So x should be greater than 3. How many taxi drivers out of 1000 drivers? How many taxi drivers will have more than 3 accidents in a year? So you need to put x as greater than 3. So it will be 1000 into p of x greater than 3. In this you have to put x greater than 3. 1000 into p of x greater than 3. 1000 into 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 3. 1000 into 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 3 means it is p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3. 1000 into 1 minus, that each of the probabilities p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3, all the 4 values can be calculated by using this p of x on putting x as 0, 1, 2 and 3. Final calculation will give the number as approximately equal to 353. So out of 1000 taxi drivers, almost 353 taxi drivers will have more than 3 accidents in a year. Next question. Suppose 300 misprints are randomly distributed throughout a book of 500 pages. Find the probability that a given page contains exactly 3 misprints, less than 3 misprints, 4 or more misprints. This is a question of model question paper 2020. So altogether the total number of misprints in a book having 500 pages, it is a book of 500 pages, total number of misprints is 300. Find the probability that if you take randomly, if you take one page of that book, then what is the probability that page will contain exactly 3 misprints? What is the chance that that page will have 3 misprints? What is the probability or the chance that there will be less than 3 misprints in that page? Or what is the probability or chance that there will be 4 or more than 4 misprints? So let X denote the number of misprints in a page. Then what is the probability that a page will contain a misprint? When you choose a page randomly, what is the chance that there will be a misprint? So total number of pages is 500. Total number of misprints is 300. Out of 300 misprint, the chance of having one misprint in a page is 1 by 300. So probability that a page will contain a misprint is 1 by 300, which is a P. What is M? M will be equal to NP. N means the total number of pages 500. P means 1 by 300. So 500 by 300 or 5 by 3. So probability that a page chosen randomly will contain X number of misprints in it will be P of X is equal to M power X e power minus M by X factorial. M is 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 power X e power minus 5 by 3 divided by X factorial. Now the answer for the question. Probability that a given page will contain exactly 3 misprints. Number of misprint is taken as X. You have to put X as equal to 3. Probability or the chance that a given page will contain exactly 3 misprints is P of 3 is equal to 5 by 3 to the power 3 into e power minus 5 by 3 by 3 factorial. Using calculator you can calculate this, which is 0.1457. Then the second part. What is the chance or the probability that a given page will contain less than 3 misprints? So number of misprints X should be less than 3. So it will be P of X less than 3. That means it is P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. Number of misprints is less than 3 means number of misprints can be 0, number of misprint can be 1 and number of misprints can be 2. So required probability will be P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. All the 3 probabilities can be calculated from the formula expression of P of X on putting X as 0, 1, 2. So if you get each of that probabilities and if you add it, you get the required answer 0.7660. So the chance or the probability then there will be less than 3 misprints in a page is 0.7660. Then the last one. What is the chance or the probability that there will be 4 or more misprints? Number of misprints, which is X, should be 4 or more than 4. So X is equal to 4 or greater than 4. So probability is P of X greater than or equal to 4, which will be 1 minus P of X less than 4. 1 minus P of X less than 4 means it is P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3. P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3. 1 minus that sum. In this sum, P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 can be taken as probability of X less than 3 plus the remaining P of 3. So why we are taking this sense? Because P of X less than 3 is already calculated. So that can be directly used in this. plus a p of 3 you have to calculate. Putting x as a 3 and that is also calculated in the first part. So both terms inside the bracket are calculated. So 1 minus 0.7660 plus 0.1457. 1 minus that sum will be 0.0883. So the probability then there will be 4 or more than 4 misprints will be 0.0883, or if you multiply by 100, the chance or the probability will be 8.83%. The chance that there will be 4 or more than 4 misprints is 8.83%.